Okay. And anyways, like I got a handful of broken up bread. What's going on? I'm about to feed the birds if they come back. I had this really cool bird the other day. Look, they coming. Look, they ready. Y'all see that? I feel like Alfred Hitchcock right now. And the birds, y'all don't even know nothing about that. It is, man. They about to get me. And I ain't even open the door. Look how they looking. They look like they about to attack me. But no, I had this one cool bird. He knocked on the glass like 3 times. Every time he wanted some more bread and chicken and stuff. There's a whole squad of birds down there right now. You can see that big black pile of stuff on the sand. That's birds, y'all. I think they're gonna get me. There's some in the water, but you probably can't. You might be able to see it like right, I don't know, right there, I guess, where that bird is. All right, y'all chill out. I'm getting it. Y'all attack me, I'm gonna take this BB gun. I'm gonna shoot you.